Hello guys, welcome back to this game. Yeah, you remember this game where like pigs do stuff. Um so yeah, about the whole true ending thing, I'm sorry I didn't get to making a video on it. I'm just extremely mad at it because I was trying to get that vent trap apparently, or yeah, the vent trap thingy. And I forgot that if you play docs, I had the whole like true ending thing unlocked. Like I had all the steps, like the code in like the lab. I had like the symbol code. Now I don't because I played docs. And then what I did was I beat docs like 5 different times and attempted camp like 5 different times. And 2 of the times like I lost the blue key. One of the time, the other like times I did it, I was trying to enter the code. I forgot to turn invisible and the guy killed me. And I literally give up at this point. Like, if they figure out the true ending, sure, I'll try again. Plus, none of my friends are willing to help me, so. So, yeah, that sucks. But, something good is, yeah, it's nothing good, actually. But I did, kind of grind my candy. I know the season is now over, which means I have 0 candy. I have the alternate Crove skin. Yes, alternate boy Crove, dude, man. Yeah, dude, man. Yeah, I got this guy. He's pretty sick. He's like 500, 600 candy. It took me a while to grind for that nerd. The funny thing is, I don't actually have Crove unlocked. I just have the alternate skin. Like if I go to skins, extra Crove. You see this Crove dude over here? Like this Crove dude, 500 piggy coins. It's not like I'm gonna buy him or anything. Click that and easy. I have alternate Crove skin unlocked. Yeah, unlocked. Yeah, I said unlocked, not unlocked. Don't worry. Also in skins extra, I got the Sentinel skin. I'm pretty proud of that. I did not get the distorted piggy and willow skin. I don't have any of the book 2 pages. But I might grind for it in the future. I mean, it's not a bad idea while I wait for them to figure out this darn true ending. And for me to get back to the true ending kind of thingy, yeah, these are all the skins. I have a few of them. I got the true ending, of course. The reason no one uses Mr. P is because it's so broken. Oh yeah, and then book 2, I have a little bit of them. I have Dessa. I remember buying that one. That was a really good purchase. I used that for a while. Then yeah, I bought the 2 most expensive skins as well. I don't have the Willow skin, but like, and then skins extra. Yeah, I got all these like limited time skins, and then I bought Rain Dessa, and you got the Crow skin. Yeah, I got quite a few skins, but the whole point of this video is piggy build mode. Now I know no one has made a piggy build mode thing in like so long, but jeez, I have made some pretty interesting maps that I have not shown you guys. I've shown you guys the abandoned caves one. I did update that, by the way, like the whole like cauldron thing. As you can see, I am my little flamingo self over here, my normal flamingo avatar that you always see in my videos. I have a lot of maps that like are really good. Starting off with this one. When the latest build mode update came out, like a few months ago, I built this thing. I've been wanting to make a prison escape for so long. And this is, by far, the hardest piggy map in all of Piggy. Oh, you want to bet, bro? You want to bet, bro? Okay, I have soloed this, just to be fair. But you want to bet? You want to bet? Yeah, try it yourself. It's, like, really hard, bro. The only reason I soloed it is because I freaking made the map. And, like, 90% of the time I can't solo it. I've only soloed it once out of, like, the 15 times I've tried to solo it. Solo it. Oh, yeah, let me change the bot skin. It's so dumb how you have to change the bot skin each time, but, like, yeah, I'm using the Rash Bobby as, criminal and stuff. Wish there was, like, I wish they added, like, the Marcus bot, the Spidella bot, like, the Delta bot, Delta virus, the Pulley bot. That would have been helpful on this one, because Pulley's, prison. Kind of makes sense, and the distraction about whatever it's called, twins, and then the distorted piggy. Like, if you just added all those bot skins, like, they even added Frost Diggy, alright? Let me give you guys a little rundown of the map here. I forgot. The funny thing about is that I forgot to add a door to the bathroom, so that's funny. So here's a little rundown for the map. You basically get knocked out while you're walking down the street with your best pal Mimi, which I had to delete because she was broken on this map. But anyways, you spawn inside of the cell of the cell room over here. Like you wake up in a cell room, and you need to get out of the cells. The first puzzle is how you do that. I'd better do this so I don't build anything. Yeah, I'm so glad they added that. And then this is the guard. He is the most annoying person on this map because like, you can like squeeze around him, of course, but that just wouldn't be fun. And then like, yeah, you have to use this lockpick to get out of the cell, and yeah, you do all that. You progress your way through the maps. Inside of here is one of the hardest elements of the map, the invisible maze with conveyor belts. I forgot about this maze, so it like goes this way, and then the plank is just a troll, by the way. Like you're like, oh, I need to use the plank, of course, and then it's just a troll, and it's just the wrong way, and then you get in here, and then you get the white key, and then you escape. Yeah, and you only need the white key to escape, by the way, because that would just make it like actually the hardest piggy map. And then inside this jail cell, you have to like use your camera to glitch through as well. Like you can't do this in first person, you have to do that to get the items. Like it's just a complex map. You meet some friends along the way, the cafeteria, your lunch lady, and that's where Piggy spawns. And then you go into like the office area where you escape, and I've been trying to add a cutscene. Do not proceed. This is like the courtyard area or whatever. I'm still working on it. Not really. Yeah, but this is like the maximum security piggy prison, like you've never seen before. This isn't a big map, but that's what makes it hard. It's small. Welcome to escaping the prison, and half of this video is done already, so I gotta get going. All right, so we're spawning in. You wake up from bed, it's like yawning noises. And yeah, you figure out you need the lockpick wrench. Just pretend it's a lockpick, okay? I can't help it. Use the lockpick to get into the vent. All right, this is like the most important item, by the way, like the lockpick. Grab the dynamite, explode the door. Grab the green key and slip around so this guard doesn't see you. And then do that. Get red key. And basically what you want to do here's how you outplay this. Walk past the guard. He starts chasing you, right? Yeah. Come over here and you get back in your cell, and now he doesn't care about you anymore because you're back in your cell. Yeah, he can't get to you. Yeah, what are you gonna do when I unlock my cell door? Ha! In your dreams. Yeah, I'm back in my cell. You can't legally chase me. Noob, noob, noob. And this guard is terrible eyesight, by the way, in case you somehow didn't realize. Now, here's how you outplay this again. Run past him. Open the vent. And get under. Ha, noob. And now we're going through the vents of the prison, which is pretty cool. You want to lockpick these, and now you're in the bathroom. I forgot to add a door to the bathroom. Please don't ask. I forgot to add like a door coming in here. And then you grab the orange key, and the lockpick is still there for you to unlock the thing in the cafeteria. There's an orange key card. I probably already mentioned that. And then you need to break some boards to get down into like the area where you need to break the boards. And by the way, they did change like the whole like guard eyesight thing, but even if you don't walk in the light, you see he's still chasing me. Yes, idiot. That noob, oh my gosh. I forgot about that. Hi, please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. I somehow didn't die. I can use this opportunity to run. Bye, noob. Oh yeah, now you just can't see me. Alright. Look there, and now I can go back in the vent. Let's actually speed things up. Go, dude. Thank you. Do that. All right, now I need to go back. Oh my gosh. Back over here. Crouch. Yellow key. And then crouch in the vents again. Gosh, yeah, I know. There's like a lot of vents here. Run, crouch, run, crouch, run. And now you're in an abandoned jail cell. Nice. That basically someone who did something really bad. Let's just say this is like Sam's cell or something, like, because like Sam is obviously a criminal. Or just kidding. Counter 900 million. I can't get this stupid key. I need to do that. Yeah, cool. Let's just say this is like Willow Wolf's cell or something. Yeah, this cell has been around for like over 100 years. Yeah, it's like the oldest cell. It's hard to read that. You can take a screenshot right now if you want. That's all I'm giving you. And by the way, post in the comments if you think you have the power to beat this map, because I know you don't. Okay, listen here, buddy. If you can beat this map, then like comment down below and bet some money on it. You know, a little bit of Bobucks, and you know, let you win. Okay, maybe not the Bobucks part. All right. Alright, bam, we get in here, and oh no, we need an orange key card. But we've seen that before. Also, don't try to go invisible in front of the guard, because it's not going to work. And I'm only giving you guys, like, 3 attempts on this map, so, like, don't even try to, like, experiment. Just try to escape. Now, because I'm a cool kid, I'm going to go behind here. That's what the cool kids do, in case you didn't know. Now I'm going to run through this dumb vent. No, it's actually not dumb, because we're using it to, like, get all the items we need to escape. I'm going to use this, and then I need to go back and get the wrench. Hopefully I somehow solo this. Yeah. Grandma really, like, Grandma Piggy, like, the lunch lady, like, she is really tough in that maze area. You need to, like, grab the red key card right there and, like, use it in the maze. And all these oil barrels are right here. And, yeah, dog by, like, the trash. And dogs aren't trash. Dogs aren't made. Like my dog, Freud. And you see, raccoon police officer dude is chasing you. Dude. And now, you need an item. What item do you need exactly? You need this, item that is known as the, lockpick, also known as the wrench. And now, you idiots, come follow me. Follow me. Follow me, idiot. Follow me. Hey, raccoon nerd. Raccoon, up here. You know what? Just take him out, please. Raccoon! Not you. Raccoon. Up here. Raccoon. Up here. Oh my gosh! Well, dog's here if anyone tries to pass. Dog, you protect me, please. Now let's go back and get the lockpick. I'm going to speed up a bunch of this because it is taking way too long. Long story short, I died, and yeah, if you want to play this map, just comment down below, like, your favorite fruit or something, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.